Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Kehonda Nameri, and in today's video, we are going to look at the expansion and contraction of air using the materials we can get around us at home. When you cook rice, the volume of rice increases, and that's what we may say is expansion. Gases behave in the same way when heated, so let's do some activities to demonstrate this. So, in this activity, we are going to use a plastic bottle, a balloon, two containers, one with hot water and another one with cold water, and we're going to have a spoon. We are going to differentiate the two by using food color. So in hot water, I'm going to put the red food color, and for the cold water, we are going to use blue food color. We're going to stretch the mouth of the balloon and fit it on top of this bottle. So we're going to place our bottle in cold water, and we're going to see what is going to happen on this balloon. As you can see, there is nothing happening to the balloon. So let's place it in hot water and we see the difference. Let's put it back in cold water and we see what will happen. The balloon has collapsed again. When you place the bottle inside hot water, the air inside the bottle gets heated and expands. That makes the balloon to also expand. But when you place this bottle inside cold water, the air inside this bottle cools down and contracts. That makes the balloon to contract also. Therefore, this activity shows that air expands when heated and contracts when cooled. Let's try out another activity to demonstrate this further. And in our next experiment, we are going to use a glue gun, a small bottle, a plastic tube, and 3 plastic containers. So first, we have made a hole in this cover, and we are going to insert this tube into this hole. Remember, we need this part to completely be closed. Therefore, we are going to put some glue to completely close this upper part. And we are going to leave it to cool for some minutes. But as we wait for it to cool, let us fill other containers with water. One container is going to contain hot water, another container is going to contain cold water, and in another container, we are going to put our tube, and it is going to contain cold water also. So in our first container, we have added in red food color, and this container contains hot water. We have added in red food color. And then in this container, we have added blue food color. And this container that has cold water, the water is colorless. So we wanted to differentiate the 3 of them. Let's place the bottle in hot water and see what happens. There are some bubbles coming out, and the reason is that air in the bottle got heated. It escapes through the tube and is seen as bubbles in the water. Now let's place the same bottle in a container with cold water. You observe that the blue-colored water passes through the tube to the small bottle. The reason is that after placing the small bottle in cold water, the temperature of the air in the small bottle reduces and the air contracts. And due to atmospheric pressure, the empty space left inside the bottle is filled with water. This activity helps us to understand that gases expand on heating and contract on cooling. In today's video, we have learned that air expands when heated and it contracts when cooled. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any comments, please drop them down in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye.